Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful detachable fringe clip which can be rocked with a closure wig or a scarf. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. First of all, you'll be needing your 4x4 Swiss lace, 4 inches measurement for the length and 4 inches measurement for the width. I start by pinning it down on my dummy head. The next thing you do is to get a black sewing thread with your hand needle and your weave on. Place it on your lace closure net and start sewing on a straight line using this particular method I'm doing in this video. Watch carefully to understand what I'm doing. If you're someone who wants your fringe clip to be full, then you have to double your weft. But if you want it to be scanty, you just have to use one weft and sew on each line on the lace closure. I will still explain what I mean by that if you don't understand in this video. You have to sew it down, but you don't have to cover all aspects because after sewing it, there is an area that we will leave where we will have to ventilate to give it that natural look even when we place it on our closure wig. After I was done sewing, I have to show you how and what I mean by using one weft if you don't want it to be too full, or if you don't want it to be too scanty, you can use two wefts. You can double your weft while sewing. As you can see, I sewed on a straight line up to 3 lines or 4 lines, depending on how you want yours to be. I spaced it out a little bit while I was sewing. After sewing the weft on the lace, the next thing we do is to ventilate that area that we want to get a natural hairline. I already have countless videos on how to ventilate. You can check out my videos to see how to ventilate if you don't know how to ventilate. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll have to skip most parts that I ventilated in this video. So this was me finishing the ventilating to get that natural look. This was how it was looking when I was done ventilating the hairline. Then I proceeded to apply my IKT hair wax to the hair in order to tame the flyaway hairs and also give it that shiny look after I was done straightening and applying my hot comb on it. After I was done applying the hair wax, the next thing I did, I went in with my Cloud9 hair straightener, but you can use a good hair straightener of your choice and you have to straighten on a low heat. After then, I started by patting out the areas that will be on the both sides of the face and the one that will be in the middle. You have to watch this video to understand what I mean by this. The next thing I did was to twist that part that will be in the front, like on your forehead. That area, you have to twist it, then cut it with your scissors. That will be the only area that will cut. If you cut it and it's not straight, you just have to go in and trim the part or the area that is not straight. And after I was done trimming, I went in to use my scissors to do this cutting in the front to make it more scanty. But you have to be very careful while doing this because if you are not careful, you might end up cutting it too much. But you just have to be very, very careful while doing this. If you're wondering why I did this, it's to give it that natural look when you wear a fringe clip, to make it more natural so it will not be looking like one all these Chinese people's hair. You have to trim it very well. Then I went in with my hair straightener, straightened it properly. After then, I went ahead to bob the middle part as you can see in this video to give it that curve. After straightening it and bobbing the front part, you have to add hair comb, all those comb that used to be in a wig. Like when you want to wear a wig, you see all these factory made wigs, you see a comb in it. I forgot to add the clip here because I lost the clip while I was editing this video. So you just have to add the clip at the back of that your lace so that when you place it on your head, you can just use that clip to hold your closure or place it on your weaving, the weaving you did at the back. I don't know why I don't have the video again, but that was what I did because if you finish doing this and you don't add that comb, then it will not be secured on your head properly. If you've watched to the end of this video and you haven't subscribed, subscription is free. Go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. See you guys in my next video. And also drop a comment if you find this video really, really helpful. See you guys in my next video. Bye.